Ever found yourself grimacing at the sight of a sky-high gas bill, wondering if there's a more affordable, perhaps even greener alternative out there? Well, today we delve into the world of solar water heaters, a solution that not only lightens the load on your wallet, but also does its part for the environment. So buckle up and let's get on this journey of discovery. When it comes to heating water, traditional methods often rely heavily on gas and electricity. These sources, while effective, come at a high cost both financially and environmentally. Enter the solar water heater, a game changer in the world of sustainable living. Harnessing the power of the sun, solar water heaters convert sunlight into heat, which is then used to warm up water. This process bypasses the need for gas and electricity, drastically reducing utility bills. In addition, it's a green solution that helps reduce carbon footprint, making it a win-win for your pocket and the planet. But how does it work, you ask? It's simple, really. Solar water heaters consist of solar collectors and storage tanks. The collectors absorb the sun's rays, converting them into heat. This heat is then transferred to the water stored in the tanks. The result? Warm, ready-to-use water, all thanks to the power of the sun. Now, let's summarize what we've learned today. Solar water heaters provide a cost-effective and environmentally friendly alternative to traditional water heating methods. By harnessing the power of the sun, they reduce reliance on gas and electricity, helping to lower utility bills and reduce carbon footprint. They consist of solar collectors and storage tanks, working together to provide warm water without the need for costly energy sources. So, next time you're staring down a hefty gas bill, remember there's a solution waiting in the wings. A solution that not only saves you money, but also contributes to a healthier planet. It's time to step into the future with solar water heaters, where the power of the sun meets the needs of the everyday homeowner. And that's a wrap on our journey into the world of solar water heaters, a greener, cheaper alternative to traditional water heating methods. An alternative that's not just good for your pocket, but also for the planet. Don't forget, every small step towards sustainability counts. And with the solar water heater, that step just got a whole lot easier.